guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So I'm back with another Life in London vlog. This time this vlog is going to be a bit different. Actually, we are moving out of our current home. It was a very beautiful 2 BHK apartment, but we got a better option. And yes, we are just looking forward to a new home. I am so excited, but there's going to be a lot of work that I know. We have already started packing. There's a lot of packing boxes all around the house. The house looks super messy, and yes, I'm just gonna just show you a glimpse of my life here in London in this vlog. I hope you guys like it. Stay tuned, there's so much more coming up in this vlog. Okay, it's super messy. Oh my god. So we have packed all the fragile items like kitchen jars and everything in this box, and yes, there's a lot more to be packed, like these paintings. And yeah, I was packing for a few hours. Now it's time to have some lunch. I am planning to make macaroni Indian style, and I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. So boil some macaroni. You can add any vegetable you like, heat some oil, add green chilies, tomatoes, bell peppers, carrot. You can even add cabbage and just saute it. And then add ketchup, add masalas like garam masala, kitchen king, salt, oregano, and then mix it well. It just tastes so good. I mean, it's Indian style, so it's gonna be flavorful. I want it all. Finally, it was moving day. We chose Polish Man and Van to help us move. They arrived on time. The first thing they did was laying out mats so that they don't leave any scratch on the floor. How thoughtful. They started packing very efficiently. They brought all the packing essentials with them, like cartons and bubble wraps and everything. And they were so quick. Like, they charge around 120 pounds per hour, but they were so quick that whatever you pay, you're gonna receive that kind of service from them. So we took a train to a new home, and Polish Man and Van also arrived on time with all the items and furnitures and everything, and arranged it for us really well. And this is a new home. I'm so excited. I did a Griya Pravesh puja and also wore an Indian wear. Finally done with Griya Pravesh, and I'm so excited to give you guys a tour of this new home. So this is the front door, and right next to it, this is the bathroom. It's the main bathroom. It has got bathtub in it. Right next to it, there's this main bedroom. It is going to be our bedroom. It's a bit big and yeah, cozy as well, if that makes sense. There's an ensuite shower attached to it. This is the second bedroom. I really love it. I'm gonna make it my study. And this is the storage room right outside the bedroom. Now let's go to the living area. There's dining table and sofa, and yeah, and this is the kitchen. We have got a huge terrace. Moving on, I received a parcel from Boots, and I thought I should show you guys what's inside. The first thing is this Maui hair conditioner. It's great if you have got dry hair. If you're looking for a good body lotion, Cetaphil Pro version is really amazing. And then there's CeraVe foaming cleanser. I didn't like it much actually after using it for a while. Next is the Ordinary Matrixil serum. I really love it. And then there's Cetaphil daily hydrating moisturizer. It's for the face, and if you have got oily skin, it's good. And then there's niacinamide from The Ordinary. I use this serum for acne scars. It's quite good. And last is Natural Moisturizing Factor from The Ordinary. It's again a skin moisturizer. I would highly recommend it. I'm using a lot of moisturizers because my skin is getting dry lately. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. That was it. If you liked it, then give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.